manabu. Manabu. Manabu is mean learn or take lesson in something. If you use the kanji of manabu, it means you learn something you learn something. That means you take time and you want to major in that things. So if you say that you see here we have example like Imuran-san wa nihongo o manabitai desu. Imura-san wa nihongo o manabitai desu, which means Imran-san wants to learn Japanese language. Imran-san wants to learn Japanese language. So when you say that manabitai, this means you want to learn. Nihongo o manabitai is you want to learn Japanese. Not just learn Japanese, but you want to take either deep understand of the Japanese. And in the future, maybe you want to be a Japanese teacher. This means the teacher that teach Japanese, right? So this means you learn, you take time and learn deeply about the Japanese language. So nihongo o manabitai desu. Or you can say like eigo o manabitai desu, which means I want to learn English. Chugokugo o manabitai desu, which means I want to learn Chinese. So this means nani o manabitai desu ka? Nani o manabitai desu ka? Which means what do you want to learn?